Today I will explain you photosynthesis. Photosynthesis from the very junior classes you know about. That is the process of manufacturing of food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight with the help of chlorophyll molecules inside the green cells of the plant. Now I will start that where you will find this chlorophyll pigment. So you should know about the basic concept about the photosynthesis. What is the site of photosynthesis? To explain it better, I am using this diagram. As you know that chlorophyll or chloroplast you told is the site of the photosynthesis where you will find this chloroplast having this chlorophyll pigments. So if we discuss, this is a leaf and we go for a TS, a section of the leaf. When we go for the section of the leaf, I have shown you a large view of this section. Then you can find the different cells arranged in a particular manner. If we study the cells, then at the upper side it has a waxy layer called cuticle, then a continuous layer of cell that is called epidermis. Epidermal cells do not have chloroplast. Okay, so the next layer of cells that are called mesophyll cells. These cells only have chloroplast. Again, the lower epidermis, it is also devoid of chloroplast. So the site of photosynthesis is, if you are saying chloroplast, kahan present hai, where it is present? In green leaves. Green leaf, whole leaf looks green, but here we can observe that epidermis do not have chloroplast. So the correct answer will be chloroplast of mesophyll cells of green leaves. So this is the site of photosynthesis. Now you should also have an idea about the internal structure of chloroplast. How the photosynthesis, what are the different steps of photosynthesis and where they take place. So for that you should also know about the internal structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast, it is surrounded by double unit membrane. It is surrounded by, this is unit membrane. 2 unit membrane, it is surrounded by 2 unit membranes. Internal structure की बात करें, then it has coin-like structure. These coin-like structures are called thylakoid and they pile together, and this pile is called grana. Singular is grana. It has a number of grana. Grana is plural word. Okay, I use the green pen to write thylakoid or grana because these portion only have the chlorophyll pigment that is helpful for the process of photosynthesis. And these grana are connected with each other. The basic, the ground substance, it is called stroma. Okay, so whole chloroplast involved in the process of photosynthesis, but specifically we explain the role of chlorophyll pigment. Where these chlorophyll pigments are present, then they are present in thylakoid, or we can use the word they are present in green. You should know about this basic structure of chloroplast. Now I am going to explain the steps of photosynthesis or mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, all the steps broadly can be divided into 2 major steps. 2 major steps. First step, that is called light reaction. These steps were discovered by the scientist Hill. That's why it is also called Hill reaction. Okay, where it takes place, light reaction or Hill reaction, it takes place in thylakoid or in grana. So its working place, यदि हम इसके मेन पॉइंट्स की बात करें, it takes place in thylakoid, not in stroma. Okay, what is the process? यदि हम सारी रिएक्शन को as a whole consider करें, then it is a biochemical process. Biochemical process. What happened in the biochemical process? Solar energy converted. कन्वर्टेड इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी। जो हम इसका मेन फीचर की बात करें, सोलर एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी। ठीक है, ऑल दीज रिएक्शंस, जो भी प्रोसेस हो रहा है, दे नीड लाइट डायरेक्टली, सो इट इज लाइट डिपेंडेंट process. This is about the basic point of light reaction और Hill reaction. क्या steps होते हैं इसमें? नंबर 1 step, यदि हम इसके अंदर भी steps की बात करें, जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है that is absorption of light energy. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll, it is present here. These green dots are chlorophyll. These chlorophyll pigment will absorb the light energy and the process will start. This is the first step, absorption of solar energy by the chlorophyll. What will be the second step? Second step, ये जो एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब किया क्लोरोफिल का, इसका यूज क्या है, क्या होगा इसका आगे का स्टेप? तो सेकेंड स्टेप आता है दैट इज फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर। फोटोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर, जो एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब किया क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट ने, इसकी हेल्प से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स का ब्रेकडाउन होगा। सोलर एनर्जी के लिए वी कैन यूज द फोटोन एनर्जी लाइक दिस, एंड इट विल बी ब्रेक डाउन इनटू हाइड्रोजन आयन. Oxygen will be formed and it will release electron. To maintain the reaction, here is 2 oxygen, we have to write here 2, so 4 hydrogen ion and 4 electron. So absorbed light energy is utilized for the breakdown of water, that is called photolysis of water, and oxygen is produced. So oxygen यहाँ पे produce हुई, here it will diffuse to stroma, then out of the chloroplast, and then out of the cells and out of the leaves through stomata. Third step, ये जो यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस हुए हाइड्रोजन आयन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन, इनका क्या होगा? अगेन दे एंटर इनटू वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस, एंड उस प्रोसेस से क्या बनता है? वहाँ पे बनता है ATP, एनर्जी रिच कंपाउंड, एंड NADPH2. ठीक है, दिस इज द एनर्जी करेंसी ATP, एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट, एंड here produce NADP, nicotine amide diphosphate. It is also called reducing power. Wherever the hydrogen will require, it will release the hydrogen for the reduction. These are the steps discovered by Hill. All steps need direct light energy, that's why it is called light reaction. Where all these steps are going on, it is take place in the thylakoid because it has chlorophyll pigment. Clear? Now come to the second step, second major step, that is dark reaction. Dark reaction, or it is also called Calvin cycle. अब इसके पॉइंट हम जनरल पॉइंट कंसीडर करते हैं. एज लाइट रिएक्शन हमने बताया थाइलेकोइड में हो रहा है. दिस डार्क रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस इन स्ट्रोमा. कहाँ होता है? स्ट्रोमा में होता है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकेंड, ये लाइट पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है डायरेक्टली. ठीक है, तो इट इज कॉल्ड लाइट इंडिपेंडेंट. नेक्स्ट कॉमन पॉइंट, क्या हो रहा है इसके अंदर, कौन से स्टेप्स हैं? अभी हमने ऑक्सीजन का प्रोडक्शन देखा, लाइट रिएक्शन में हो गया. और क्या बनता है फोटोसिंथेसिस में? मेन प्रोडक्ट क्या है फोटोसिंथेसिस का? इट इज फूड, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कन्वर्ट होती है कार्बोहाइड्रेट में या ग्लूकोज में, तो वो प्रोसेस यहाँ पे हो रहा है, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन का प्रोसेस हो रहा है। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड बायोसिंथेटिक फेज और प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस। दिस इज अबाउट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डार्क रिएक्शन। स्ट्रोमा में ये होता है, इसके लिए डायरेक्ट लाइट एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, इसमें बायोमोलिक्यूल्स का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड बायोसिंथेटिक फेज। अब पर्टिकुलरली क्या रिएक्शन होती है, रिएक्शन क्या होनी है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कन्वर्जन होना है, रिडक्शन होना है into carbohydrate C6H12O6 में. For that process, it needs energy. It needs a compound which will provide hydrogen for the reduction. तो ये कहाँ से आएगा? It will come from the ATP and NADPH2, which are formed in light reaction. Okay, so name dark reaction is given just contrast to the light reaction. It doesn't mean that this process will take place during night or during dark. No, for the completion of this process, it needs the material that is formed in the light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH2. So, in dark reaction, the major steps take place, that is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate, that is C6H12O6. This is glucose. And excess of glucose is converted, is stored in the form of starch. So, reduction of carbon dioxide takes place with the help of the product of light reaction. It takes place in the stroma of chloroplast, light independent reaction, and it is a biosynthetic phase. This is the whole step of photosynthesis, and we can compile together all this process and we can write in the form of a reaction. What will be the now reaction for the photosynthesis? That 6CO2 plus 12H2O. Now in the presence of solar energy and chlorophyll, what will be formed? C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Here oxygen is byproduct and this carbohydrate or glucose is main product of photosynthesis. Thank you.